Hey everybody, take a look at the kitties' first snow. Kitties, you're not gonna believe this. This is your first time. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look, kitties, look. Oh dear, I should have brought that in. My lettuce cart. Oh my goodness. Wow. What is it? What happened? I know, what is it? What is it? You've never seen anything like that. What is it? What is it, baby? Huh? You better check it out. Come back. Come see the snow. Wow. Wow. Oh. First snow of the season. Wow. I have a feeling it's going to burn off pretty fast. I know. Are you gonna step in that? Hmm? I know. What is it? What is it, Patch? What is it? Gonna go in the snow? Do you see something? Hey, big boy. I don't even think you could get up a tree if you had to. Oops. What do you think? What do you think? I'm going in. She says, I'm just going right in there. Yeah, it's pretty deep, huh? Something tells me you're going to be spending a lot of time in the garage today. Or maybe not. They're going, what happened? Patch, what happened? What happened? I mean, it was 73 degrees 2 days ago. My garlic. Garlic is supposed to like a freeze, right? What is this hole here? Huh. Wow. Well, I did not expect this when I went to bed at midnight. Blueberry enclosure is taking on some weight. Oh, I'm glad Walker got those shea cloths down. Had to get out my snow boots. Here's the flower bed. Oh, it's so beautiful. If I thought it was going to last a while, I'd build a snowman, but I don't. Ooh, that wind is cold. There's only one thing that destroys this whole scene, and that's that cell tower over there. And I do not remember it when I first came. I think they've loaded it up since I've been here. That White House across the road just blends right in. Oh, the sky is lovely. Hi there. Hey, what do you think about all this? I know, are your feet getting cold? My hands are cold. Your feet must be freezing. Huh? You want to be with Mommy? You can walk in my tracks, that'll help. Okay, I gotta go inside. My fingers are going numb. They're wearing a fur coat, but it's just the feet. I wonder if their feet are getting cold. Gunshot. They're so funny. I mean, right here, there's like 3 or 4 inches. But, you know, it's drifted. So that, unless we get more, it'll burn off. It was obviously blowing last night because look, the T-post it's all collected on the front side. I am not a cat and I have to go in. I really should clean that off. Let's see what happened. Oh, and you know what? Hey, can you go in there and knock that snow off, please? Right there, just knock it off. Yeah, right there, knock it off. Okay, because that's, holy smokes. Oh my goodness. I think I need to do that from the other side. Oh, but how do I do it from the other side? I'm going to let the sun help me. Hopefully the blueberry plants will survive. Oh, they're going to love that area because it's... Hey, kitties. They're going, boy, this is interesting. This is interesting. What do you think, Patch? What do you think about the snow? Looks kind of slushy over there. Let's see if I can... I don't think you can read that. Yeah, you can. Okay, now my hands are frozen. Hey, big boy. What do you think? What do you think about all this? Huh? What do you think? You want me to rub your tummy? 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 You want me to rub your tummy? Because I'm a little distracted. Not sure I want to lay down on this cold driveway. You want me to get your tummy? You want me to get your tummy? You want your tummy rubbed? Oh yeah, you'll take that anytime. Yeah. What do you think about all this? Okay, be careful, okay? I gotta go warm my hands up.
If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.